got any ID? Folks, welcome to Flavor. We are here at the Alameda Island Brewing Company, and this episode is powered by FH Daily's Business Elite. Cheers. Folks, welcome back to Flavor. Here we are at the Alameda Island Brewing Company. I'm here with the owner, Matt. Thank you so much for having
my
me.
pleasure. Thanks for coming out.
So they're keeping the neighborhood hydrated out here. How long have you been in business?
We've been open since February 2015. We did our soft open, and in May we had 2015 is when we did our official open. Somebody actually approached us.
Okay.
They knew I was brewing out of my garage down in Southern California. I was stationed up here. That's where I met my wife, and her brother-in-law works behind the bar. We knew we were going to open a business when we wanted to do it here, and somebody approached us.
Really? So you were brewing out of the garage?
Yes, sir.
Where in SoCal were you?
Redlands, California, 2 blocks away from Hangar 24. Good shout out to those guys. They're awesome.
And a military man yourself?
Yes.
And there's a big military theme in here. Can you tell us about the sticks and the beer forward?
This is for anybody who wants to purchase a beer. You can purchase beer for a friend, prepay, you can be up here waiting for them when they get here, so they don't have to worry about that. We also get people buying beers for teachers, cops, you know, their postal service worker, whoever it is that they want to buy a beer for, they have it up here waiting for them.
So folks, if you want to purchase any beers for FH Daily or Charlie Booth, if you got any military boys you want to support out here, come beer forward when you hit the brewing company.
Yeah, that's the civilian side. That's the civil service side. You see a lot of Coast Guard stripes, APD, OPD.
Coast Guard City, USA, folks, and Beer City, USA. I'm here, folks, with Mike Hymans, and you are the brother-in-law, correct?
Yes, I am the brother-in-law to Matt. I've been running the tasting room since we opened.
And I'll tell you what, he's put the Star Wars flavor into the tasting room. Where's the Star Wars come from?
I'm a nerd. This is a safe environment for nerds and geeks of all fandoms. But I support the dark side. The only person I don't actually serve to is Rebel Scum.
And folks, we don't serve Rebel Scum here.
We don't serve Rebel Scum here, no.
And you got he's a true dark side man. True dark side, and that is a true Raider. In Oakland, the only way to go is the dark side.
That's right.
What is your favorite beer here at Alameda Island Brewing Company?
I only drink number 6, the Sea Haggis. We call it the antithesis to the IPA, or in layman's terms, the complete opposite. It's all malt, no hop. I'm actually Lord and Commander of the Haggite Army. I've got 952 members. I expect loyalty 98% of the time, 100% of the time. So 361 days of the year, you drink Sea Haggis first.
So folks, here it is. I'm trying to join the fan club for the Sea Haggis.
The Haggite Army.
Haggite Army. Whoa. Yeah. I can see why that's the only one. That's strong and smooth.
8%.
8% out.
Tastes like a no-hum.
Whoa.
So that is the power of the dark side. I'd love to talk to you more about it, but I got some people I gotta pour beer for.
Folks, the beer's flowing, the dark side's growing. Thank you so much, brother. So fellas, right here we have the Murderer's Row. The ultimate sample platter right here from the Alameda Island Brewing Company. What do we got here? How do you keep track of all these guys?
It's all in our head. We make sheets every day, so if you build your own, not only that, but we'll put them in suggested drinking order for you, how aggressive they are on the palate, from the lightest to the most aggressive.
And now when you're cooking up, these are all different recipes.
Yes, sir.
And so like how long does it take you to come up with a recipe? How do you come up with the new ones?
As any brewer will tell you, it's what's in your mind's eye. Once you know what you want to make, it's pretty quick. At least to put it down on paper, we do the math, we crunch the numbers, we get our water calculations in order, and from there we just put it on a spreadsheet. So my lead brewer, my assistant brewer in the back, and just crank them out.
Matthew has become very good at math now. Like,
He's now Matthew.
Yes.
Well, folks, we're going to go indulge in a full liquid diet right here at the Alameda Brewing Company. Welcome to breakfast, folks. We got our breakfast here in Alameda. So, which one do you think we should try first? Which one's the closest to your heart? Is there one?
There's a lot of these that I really enjoy. Each one's got a specific story, either from history or from something that's becoming popular now. Each one's from a different geographical region around the United States or around the world. So they've all kind of got a special place, but if I'm going to choose one, this is mine.
The American Pale. Now, are parts of the American Pale here what ventured over from the garage when you first started?
That is. It's using it's a pale ale. It's not a lager, but it's very crisp and clean like a lager. But it uses Amarillo hops, so it's almost a little grapefruity. But for the summertime, it's extremely
Taste
crushable.
that grapefruit.
It's under 5% because you only have one beer never.
You only have one beer never.
Yeah, that's the liquor ale, especially ale anymore. They call it the Scotch ale, aka the Wee Heavy.
Well, we're gonna get a little wee heavy here. And what are you sipping?
This is a Schwarzbier. This is a German lager. The color, don't let it fool you. There's actually dehusked and deacidified malt they call Carafa that we use, so the color doesn't really represent what you're going to taste. It's a nice, clean, crisp lager. Great for any time of the year.
This is how Alameda Island connects the world with all the ships, connecting the world with the brews over here. Chad's in the house. Cheers. I think we got a thirsty friend joining the party, folks.
Definitely thirsty.
So, from Business Elite over at FH Daily, Chad, welcome to the party.
Thank you.
Matt, Chad.
Chad, pleasure to meet you.
Chad.
So, we're right now talking, we're talking the Business Elite trucks, we're talking the big boys. How do you ship all this stuff in here and ship it out?
Everything comes in on pallets.
Okay.
So we bring everything in off pallets if we can, or containers that come straight out of the port.
One that you guys
Folks,
stuck.
you gotta
This
see.
is-
We're halfway
this is
through,
the
we're losing
IPA
track of the
version.
glasses here.
This is our Ida Hops, or I'm sorry, our Island Haze. That's our most popular beer. We go through 3 40-barrel fermenters a month.
It's not a traditional IPA like West Coast IPA.
Well, the traditional IPAs are usually out of the UK. The West Coast gets a hold of them and does the West Coast style. This is the New England East Coast style.
Okay.
And a really cool thing we were talking about before we were recording is how the food works here. You know, Alameda, there's so many cool restaurants, so many cool eateries. You allow outside food into the brewery.
Correct.
Which promotes folks up and down the strip. You got McGee's over here, our friends there, or Ty's, all of these great eateries in Alameda Island. You can bring your food right in here. Have a great day at the brewery.
As long as you clean up after yourself.
Clean up after yourself, you're getting thrown in the, what do we call them? The vats?
These are our fermenters. These are our conical fermenters here. These are each 40-barrel, roughly 1,300 gallons. If we could fill it we fill it with 40 barrels, so that's roughly 1,240 gallons worth of beer, fermenting it around.
Well, folks, we're going to go check out the fermenting process, which you'll also be able to see when you're over here. And we're going to finish these beers. Cheers to you.
Cheers. Pleasure.
Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.
Oh.
Cheers.
Looks like they're
What are you two doing?
getting some food.
Right next door?
Yeah, we share a patio. This is a communal area. And like I said, these guys are so close to us that they open up right next to us some of the best bar food you'll ever have anywhere in the United States.
And you can bring it right in there and eat?
They'll actually even bring it in there for you. So,
Oh, look.
Cajun pork chops.
Deep fried Cajun pork chops. And then the fried, what's in the fries? That's that ground
Same
beef?
thing. It's just a Cajun seasoning. Garlic.
Alright. In 2018, one of the things that bothers me most about the world is people don't support each other. They don't give credit where it's due. You can have beautiful face money. He's really a guy that, whether it's with the Beer It Forward movement, and whether it's with just the happiness that's spread here, and the way that he brings the community of Alameda into his business, man, you're a good man.
It's not hard to do. Now you got deep fried pork chops.
Folks, the food, the beer, we'll see you in Alameda. Folks, Charlie Boots, Chad Alarcon here at FH Daily Chevrolet, home to all your business elite needs. Chad, what do you got for him here?
We've got vans, we've got bin packages in the vans, we've got our fully upfitted racks, boxes, a chassis, you can put whatever kind of package you want on it. We've got service bodies, everything, anything you need for businesses.
Everything you need for your business, and today, one of the hottest businesses in the Bay, Alameda Island Brewing Company. We're going to check that out right now. What did you just ask?
He wants to know if we want beer to go.
Yeah.
Road beers.
If we want what?
Road beers.
Yeah.
You do beers to go?
Yeah, he said no. So you don't get any beer to go. 'Cause
I'd like a beer to
I
go.
have light, dark, hoppy, malty, sweet, fruity, pre-prohibition, a beer subject to German purity laws, and a beer mosa. So
You're telling me any of these beers right here could go on the road?
yes, 32-ounce crowler.
Let's see how the growler goes.
No, not growler, crowler.
Folks, he wasn't lying. You come in, you pick your favorite, they can it right here, and you leave with it. Road sodas. Soda. Folks, we will see you at the Alameda Island Brewing Company. And that'll do it, folks, for the Alameda Island Brewing Company. Matt, thank you so much for
my
having
pleasure,
us.
guys.
You're a sly fox. That's where you got your last name.
I wish.
Folks, you saw everything that goes into the brews. You saw the mind that creates the brews. And definitely come on out here, support the Alameda Island Brewing Company. You're going to enjoy those flights you take. And don't forget, buy a beer for our military boys when you stop.
Please do.
Absolutely.
They always appreciate it.
And we'll see you here next time on Flavor.